my treasured fans, they Aubrey playing Babel Distant on Mario Kart. Today we're going to go and play Mario Kart. First player because I'm by myself. Today we're not going to play time. Today we're going to play Battle, which we have not played on Aubrey account yet. Which we're not playing on this channel, which we have not played on Aubrey's channel before. So we're going to choose our character. So Aubrey has been a ton of characters. But there's one! But there's many he has not been also. I'll pick the little toad girl. So what cars do we pick? Nice orange. Hey, it has pink. It's a pink car. It's like so many different kinds of cars. Clown car, little motorcycle. That. Okay, how many cars do we choose from? I kind of want to get a car that. I think this is a pretty good car. We're gonna get the little big wheels. We're gonna get the little wheels. And we're gonna get a flag as a sunflower. There we go. Now we're gonna have teams. Yes, teams. No teams. So, I'm gonna pick, let's pick China. China looks cool. Battle starts. Okay, though we have never played Battle before. I have no idea if we're gonna win or we're gonna lose. So we never played it before. Let's try. Let's try it out. Whoa! Oh! That is it's pretty cool. Okay, round one. Okay, so I don't even know how to play Battle. I don't really battle that much, so yeah, do we fight other people? Is that what we do? We fight people that's not on their team, okay. Oh no, we hit cells, and if we hit the person, we'll get them. Haha! Okay, 1 to 3, go! No! No! Don't hit one of the cells. Do not hit them. Oh! We have so many green cells. Oh, we can go through here. Oh. Wow, Urban! Oh no, we have 3 hearts. Haha! Did it? Yeah. Hit the king. That was very impressive. We can go here. Woo! Oh, we got a firefly. Let's try to hit someone around here. 1 minute left. Oh, don't get in there. Woo! Hey, look like his thing. Okay, we got bananas and we got. Looks like a feather. I don't know what a feather does though. Okay. Not even close. Okay. Got it? Ah! What does this do? Let's see. Ah! Only 2 balloons. And we don't have that much time left, so let's try to get everyone we can. Oh no, 1 balloon. Okay, let's just not hit anyone now. We have to go and survive for 8 more seconds. We can do that. Survive for 8 more seconds. Survive for 8 more seconds. We got it, we got it, we got it. We did it! Woohoo! Now I realize that each of one of these are battles, so let's see how we did. So I think we can have each of Aubrey Dog's friends play. So let's have some of the Aubrey Dog's friends play. Oh, we got hit by Cell. Hey, Rosalie, that's not nice. Oh, there's me with the fire. Haha. There's me. Almost got hit. But there's me. I hit that person over and over again. That's me. Gonna run out of time, and there's me. I'm 4th place. Actually, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. So since these battles are not really, are like one, so we're just gonna go get another person. Let's get Maddie and everyone who was on the team. Okay. Hello, we're from Maddie now. Maddie has a nice start. We're gonna battle again. And we're gonna pick a new one. We're gonna pick, who am I gonna pick? We've not done many. We've not done a lot of them, but we also have done a lot of them. Aubrey has not picked any Mario. That doesn't feel right, but I'll pick little, Aubrey has not chosen Mario. Mario's one of the classic ones. So let's do Mario. Maddie here is playing Mario here. Now I'm going to choose the big rainbow wheels. I'm going to put the big rainbow wheels on a motorcycle. And I'm going to use the fire one. And now we're going to use an airplane. And then we're going to say no teams, because that was fun. Okay. We did China. Now Mario. Okay, no. We did China, so we're going to pick, let's say, Candy Realm. Yes, Candy Realm. Here we go. So Maddie's going to play Candy Realm now. Candy Realm. And we're going to see what this Candy Realm has for us. Okay. So we have toads everywhere. We have Yoshi's. And we have Candy Realm. Let's go and play. Okay, Mario's on the spot. Okay, battle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. We have 3 minutes on the clock. So yeah, let's go. Oh, that was basically Aubrey Dog last time. Yes, I got one balloon Venice. Ha! Oh no. He got me! Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need to get someone over here. Oh, got 2 people. Oh, I got the crown. Ha! Okay. Just need to keep this crown. Oh no! Don't get hit. Whoop. Got you. Haha. Okay. Oh no. I stole my crown. Oh no. Haha. We got the crown back. And we're just going to do a trick jump for fun. Whee! Aha! Again, someone stole my crown. Whoop. Whoop. Aha! Got the crown back. Oh no, my crown's gone. Oh no! It's Aubrey time! Ah! Okay. Oh my goodness, that was such a bad idea. I thought I would get... Oh no! Okay, we have 30 more seconds. We got it, okay? Woo! Ah! We didn't survive! Maddie, you have not done a super good job with this. No. Woo! We got second place! It's Maddie, you did a pretty good job anyways. Okay, let's see how you won. Okay, we got it. So we went through here, and there we go. We got blown up, though. And that was by Rosalina. And now we have got it again. And then we go for the mushroom and get these. Then we have that, and then we have this. We got this one. Got that one. We got these. And we got another one. We got the crown twice. And that's how Mario won. Woohoo! So Maddie, that was it. So let's have the next people play. So hello, now I'm gonna play the battle thing. So let's go and get started here. Okay, we got it. Battle. And we're going to pick, well, I'm gonna pick Mario. He has not been Silver Mario. So let's go pick Silver Mario. So what is Silver Mario gonna be on? I'll pick a super cool car. That looks quite cool. We're gonna keep it that way, and we're gonna use the Zelda thing. There we go. No teams. Since we're metal and we are at the place, we're gonna choose space. Let's go. Actually, let's have Pancake choose that one. I'm gonna choose the hotel instead. Woo! Okay. We have it all right up here. Now we're just gonna go and start playing. Let's go. Okay, so Silver Mario, you do your best. Since you're silver, you must do a great job of fighting. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay. So fight. So with Pro Banana, don't go and run into anything. Don't run into green cells. Okay, got it. Okay, got another one. We got toads everywhere. Okay, we got a ton of green cells, which was the strategy for everyone around here. Okay, we got one was eliminated. Now we need to go and get, not us eliminated, but we need to get everyone else eliminated here. That's how battle works. And I just got another one. Now, we just need to go and hold this one until we find an option to get someone around here. Luigi had that. Oh, no. Ha. Oh, I thought we'd get that person. Oh my goodness. That was the people's fault. No. Let's see around here. We get. Ha. Oh no. Yeah. We got him. Okay, there we go. Now, just need to go and get someone else. Someone else needs to be get in here. Ha. Oh no! Got one balloon. Kidding me? What? What is it? Maybe it's like a Splatoon car. I think it is. You're not getting me today. I only have one balloon. And you're not getting me. Whoa. Oh. I only have one balloon. I can get her. Oh, did not get her. Well, I don't know what to do, honestly. Honestly, I'm losing grip, and I'm here just trying to get someone. That was not a good move for me. Okay. Now. Aha! Ghost? Oh, they took my item. Hey! They took my item. That was mean of them. Let's just throw these cells. We only have 10 seconds. Woo! 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 Let's see who they hit. They might hit somebody, but we don't know who. Okay. And Maddie has, and Spot survived, and we got 6th place. The worst place out of all of them. Oh, man. Okay. Now we're going to have a new member join and play. Let's see who this new member is. Wait. Let's see how you did. Okay, we'll see how you did. Spot. Got it. Oh, almost got hit. Oh, okay. Got the crown. Woohoo! Got Wheezy. And that's how we won 6th place. A bad place. So let's go and get to the next one. Let's see who goes next. Now, hi, the next battle will be me. Now, we got another battle coming in hand. Now, Aubrey has not been Zelda yet. So should we be the Link one? Let's just do the one with the hat. Okay. This is actually a Zelda car. So we have the dead horse. So we said the mechanical horse. We're gonna have the 2 wheels, and we're gonna have a flag. There we go. Okay. Zelda, and since we are Zelda, we're gonna be in blocky territory. Okay, no, that's not. That's like Minecraft. Since I'm a Minecraft character, I'm gonna be in blocky territory. That's Minecraft specifically. Why am I choosing that? Then I don't know. Okay. So, let's go and battle on. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, here we go. Ah! Okay, so we have to pick a battle thing. So Zelda, do good. Get your tests to the test with battling cars. You can get your tests for something else maybe, and not battling cars. Use your Nerf gun experience. Zelda doesn't have Nerf gun experience. Yeah, only Drad's Nerf gun experience because he saw a Nerf gun in his movie. So yeah, he is that, but not me, not Zelda, not Zelda. I have no fun experience, one bit. So no experience to suit cars. Oh, this one's the crown. We go after you. I can't get after you. You have to. Okay, let me throw a cell at you. Come on! Let Zelda throw a cell at you. This is hard. Okay, we lost her. Well, do we have another one? We have probably another one. There we go. Got another one. And now we can do a crazy trick. Through here, that will look cool. Woo! Haha! That looks cool. Okay. Whee! I thought I could get someone around there. Now, can I get anyone around here? There's this person. That's from Animal Crossing. Oh, he got me instead of him. Let's go and use these fireballs and get him. Okay, we are not doing good. Zelda here. Zelda's not doing good for us, apparently. I don't know why. Zelda's a hero, and so yeah. Why? Maybe you need more practice with fighting cars, but you don't really need more practice fighting cars. That's ridiculous. We died. Oh no! We're not doing good. We're not doing good at all. Okay, race on. We only killed one person. We're doing like worse than last time. Last time the other person played. Yoshi, you just dodged all my moves. Why did you do that? Well, got an inkling one, and move, steal someone's item, and we're just gonna go and do this. Okay, we got another one, and then we got another boomerang. Whoop! Got it. 4th one. Aha. Okay, almost did it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Control all those, and finish. What place did Zelda get? We got 2nd. Good job, Zelda. Good job. At least, hey, the worst one's mine. I got 6th place. So, let's see how Zelda did. Hashtag Spotty also. Okay. And yes, Aubrey is here reacting. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now Bones get hit, and Yoshi just hit me. Maybe you don't like that one, guys. Boomerang hit. We're gonna skate across here. Boomerang hit, another boomerang hit. And then that was just when I threw the free cells because I didn't have anything else to do. 2nd place. That's pretty good. Now, let's go and see who the next person will be. Hello, guys. I'm Buttons, and I'll be playing the battle mode on Mario Kart with Aubrey Dog's friends. Okay. So Buttons here's now. We're playing the battle mass. Now who am I gonna be? Now Aubrey has been so many characters, it's hard to pick. But, you know, Aubrey has also not been many characters that also she doesn't really like. So let's go and just pick one of them. Maybe pick one of the Koopalings around here. One of them. Let's pick. Oh, Aubrey's not been Bowser. Let's be Bowser. Yeah. Okay, Bowser, we're gonna pick a good car for you. What if? Okay. Why is every car like super big for you? That's pretty cool. Now we're gonna pick the big wheels. And now we're gonna pick, not that flag. We're gonna pick this flag. It's a Bowser sign on it, and it's yellow. Yeah. Now, we're just gonna pick no teams. And now, since we're on Bowser, we're gonna face through here. Yeah. We still need to play some. Okay. Let's go. So I'm Buttons, and now I'm Bowser. Only the character I pick. If you see, the last Mario Party, I was Bowser last time as well. So I like being Bowser. Okay? So Buttons like being Bowser. Bowser. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, is that Lemmy? That is Lemmy, okay. One of Aubrey, one of Aubrey's favorite Koopalings. That was he called them, so don't judge her. So basically, we're going to throw this green cell at somebody. Somebody that's gonna get hit pretty easily, because, yeah, no, not gonna get hit pretty easily, apparently. Apparently, Bowser is slow. Well, we're not gonna have that. Well, we're not racing, so we are just battling. So that's gonna make us do better. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, where is the battle? Where do we battle? Hello? Where are the battling people? Where are they? I have 5 hearts so far. Oh no. Okay. So we're on normal car again. So we got the wing. So that means to do a super cool trick. That means probably somebody's over there. Yep, somebody is over there. We're gonna get them by a banana. Okay, super cool trick. Wee-ha! Good job, Bowser. Good job. And we need to go and get a cell. Not these silly bananas. We need to get a cell. Oh, 1 heart, 1 balloon down. Where's the next person around here? Ha! Got you, Iggy. Okay, I got Iggy. I only got 2 people dead. Probably by all my bananas. I guess they're not silly. Ah, almost got somebody. Okay, stocking up on green cells around now. Nope, here's another bomb. And we need to go and get... Darrell, there's me. Let me get these people. Okay. Whoop. We need to get another person with a bomb. We need to get a person bomb. There's Lemmy. Yep, it's Lemmy for sure. Okay. Now this person we can get easily bomb because he has 1. But it seems like we lost track of him. And we're going to get some of... Haha! I got 2 people down. Woohoo! Bowser's doing a pretty good job with free balloons, but just avoid everyone. This place is hard to get people around here. Oh, okay. We have to do these things quickly now. Okay. Okay. Are we able to get you? Haha. Oh, don't do that. Okay, this says survive. Free balloons. I did a great job as Bowser. Yeah. So Bowser's in 4th place. That's a pretty good place. Let's see how Bowser did. Okay, Bowser. Woo! Okay. So basically, okay, Bowser got hit. And now we have a new player that's this guy hit. Bowser Jr. I hit my own son. Why? Okay, that's me running out of time. And there we go. 4th place. Pretty good place. Now, let's see who will play next. Hello. I am Pecky. And today we're going to play Battles on Mario Kart. So let's play. Pecky's here. Okay, let's go play. So I can get battles. Then, Aubrey's not that many characters. So let's pick. So Aubrey has been Yoshi before, but there's not many characters to be left. So we're going to pick a blue Yoshi, which Aubrey has not been before. Now for blue Yoshi, we're going to pick a teddy bear. We're going to have, not blue wheels, that's going to make these one. We're going to have rainbow wheels. And we're going to have that one. Now, no teams. Now, we're going to pick this because they kind of look like penguins. But I think that's the Splatoon map. But we're going to be blue Yoshi on it. So let's go and play blue Yoshi. a dinosaur, I guess we can use our shooting powers of hammers and all the stuff Yoshi can eat and send it back at everyone. So, Splatoon you fight, so it kind of makes sense why it's in battle mode. But it's not Splatoon, we're in Mario Kart. So that's why I'm Yoshi. Okay? So we're here now. Now, Blue Yoshi is going to go and play for us! Woohoo! Okay, got it. I have it in green paint. Okay. Okay, we need to go and play. Has different sound. Says Mario stuff all over. We need to go and hit some people. There we go. Oh! There was the little baby Splatoon people, I guess. Okay. There we go. We need to... Oh, okay. Got it? Purple wheels. We need to go and hit everyone. Got it? Ah! Hit myself! Wait, this is all Splatoon girls. That's what this game is. Hey, they're right on theme. Well, not theme, of course. Of course. Oh! Almost got blown up. I thought I can get that guy. Now, I don't know where everyone is. Oh, again, I missed my chance. Missed my chance again. Okay. Ha. Okay. Oh no, I got hit. Okay, 3 times. Okay. Okay. He has the crown. Okay. Okay. Where'd he get her? How does he does? No, but we can get someone else then. It was bomb. Come on, we got it. Come on. Okay. Yeah! Monkey guy, you're gonna get hit! Yeah! Okay. Someone has taken care when I took away my fire power. So I need to go and get another power till he hits me. Hey, we need to fight around here. We need to fight. Okay, got it. Whoa. Okay, whoa. Only 1 balloon left. Are you serious? Okay, we have to go and fight someone over here. Ha! Got you. Haha, we're just gonna play around fire now. Ah, I died. Got 4 hits though. That's pretty good. Okay, cool trick. And right in the paint. Now, Blue Yoshi has got 6th place. Not the best. That was the last place, but pretty good. Let's see how Yoshi got it. Yeah, that was the least. Now we're both in last place for this battle thing. Let's see who goes in 1st place. So far, it's Zelda and Aubrey Dog. Aubrey Dog, whatever. I don't want to see who wins. Okay. We have hit many people. Whoa. Oh, we hit Boomerang. Haha. And okay. Let's see who plays next. So it's me, Pass. Today I'm playing Mario Kart Battles. Let's get to it. So I'm going to pick my player, and we have 2 more characters that are new. So Aubrey's not done any of the princesses. We're gonna do the classic Princess Peach. Okay. What should we pick around here? We're gonna pick the cat car, but that's kind of for Princess Peach. We're gonna pick a motorcycle. Where's the motorcycle? There it is. We're gonna go and choose rainbow rails, and we're gonna keep that. Okay, so let's go and we're gonna go have Princess Peach face her fears and go into a ghost realm. So let's say Princess Peach is brave. I don't know why I'm not picking the princesses. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. We're freaking all new characters today. So let's go and get started, okay? So we are surrounded by foes. We are scared in the night. But let's see if Princess Peach can be a great fighter even in the fears of ghost and rain. Always start rain, bad luck. Not bad luck, everyone starts there. First round, 1, 2, 3, go! I always say that now, because we always only play the first round. Because we're still want to play. We don't want to play by the same people. We want to play as different characters, something like that. Okay, we're out in the rain here. Go get Toad! Yeah, we got Toad. Okay, banana. We got it. Okay. We have it here. Oh! Another cool trick. Okay, got it. Is anyone up here ready to get striked with cells? Nothing matters with running fast. We're just running in corners and corners. Whoop! Oh, I thought I was good that person. Okay. And oh, that person is has green cells, but they have Wheezy. There we go. And yeah, we're gonna do a cool trick to get past them. Oh, looks like Mario has the hat. Looks like Baby Mario just got hit. And now we're just gonna go and get through here. And get here so we can fight some people. Okay. We can get Wheezy. We got a bomb. Oh, coming your way. You look like you didn't. Okay. We're gonna try to get our people here. We're gonna get Mario. So it's like, oh, this is the princess. Oh no, we got her. We got us. Ha! I'm gonna get this guy. I don't even know who we're following now. Wah! Oh, almost got him. We got someone and doing our cool trick. Yeah. Oh no, only 1 minute left. Wah! Okay, got it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, fire! Fire! Here we go! Iggy, you're gonna get your treat for fighting me for all these years. Iggy, you're gonna get it. Okay, Iggy didn't get it. We're gonna get someone over here. Iggy, we got you. We got your balloon. That's what you get for fighting me all these years. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to get Daisy. Okay. I know we'll be able to use our items because we're almost out of time. Okay. Also, yeah, the crown. It's ours. We are first place. So looks like I got first place. I went with Princess Peach. Girls rule, yeah. Okay, let's see a pancake and beat the competition. So let's see how Princess Peach won. I don't know how he did, but apparently he did. We got it. Wow, no. Okay, we used a mushroom, and it looked like the Splatoon girl tried to hit us, but we won, so we don't care. We hit everyone, and we had Iggy for attacking over the years, and Daisy was mean. And then we got the crown for some reasons. I don't even know how many people we killed, but that was good. Okay, now let's go and see Pancake. Pancake is here now. I'm Pancake. Hello. Pancake's gonna play Mario Kart Battles. I'm the last contestant, so after this, we're gonna see who wins. It's a two-parter or a one-parter. We're gonna see. See, it depends how long this is. So let's go and get started. Okay, now Pancake, I'm gonna play. I'm be picking battles, and guess what? I'm gonna pick a baby. I'm gonna be picking Baby Weezy. Aubrey's play Baby Mario. Now I'm gonna pick Baby Weezy. I want to pick a motorcycle that's pretty cool, but I think babies like snuggly bears, so I'm gonna pick the bear car. I think babies also like rainbow wheels. Let's pick a Weezy's favorite thing. Many people probably like bright colors, and that's probably pretty cute. Now let's play with no teams. We're gonna be a brave little baby, and we're gonna play on space. We're gonna play on space as a baby. Let's go. I'm Aubrey Dog. I'm Pancake, also Aubrey Dog's cousin. I'm gonna play as Baby Weezy, and we're gonna fight. With a baby. So let's say the baby has practice with Nerf guns, and we're gonna fight with the Nerf guns. We're gonna fight gun car battle. Okay. You heard that from Pancake. So let me go here. It looks like little one for baby kind. Baby Weezy is the first to step on the moon. The first one for baby kind. And we're going to go and get started. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Aha! Looks like Baby Weezy has killed 2 people so far. Not killed, but 2 people so far. This baby's a little violent, I'll say. Okay, let's go. We have a little fighting baby on the loose. Oh, cool tricks, little Baby Weezy. Cool tricks. Woohoo! Cheer me on! Space Toads. Cheer on your little Baby Weezy. Cheer it on. Cheer him on. Okay. Now we need to get someone over here. Whoop. And we did our bets. But we got hit by a banana. Okay, we have not got hit. We only got hit by once, which was pretty good, honestly. Okay, here we go. Whoa, cool trick, Baby Weezy again. Very cool tricks. Once again. Okay, Baby Weezy, you're a little silly right there for throwing that cell, but maybe you're trying to make it and hit somebody. But you can't find anyone right now. Oh, you found somebody, it looks like, and you're chasing after them. I thought that was somebody, but I found somebody. Whoop. And go get Larry. Go get Larry. Got it. Okay. 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 Woo! Got it. Woo! Aha. And we only have 40 seconds. Let's go get most people we can. And we need to get someone with this bomb. Someone specific. Someone specific, but at least get someone. We're in 29 seconds. Couldn't find anyone. Oh. Ha! We did it. Okay. Now we have 18 seconds. Oh, I thought I got that person. Okay. Now we need to get Donkey Kong. Get Donkey Kong! Oh, didn't get Donkey Kong. But let's go and to stay away from everything so Baby Weezy can revive. Ha! Cool trick at the end. To the end we got Baby Weezy has gotten 4th place. Let's see how Baby Weezy got in 4th place. A baby in 4th place. That's pretty good for a little baby. It looks like babies can drive and also fight. So this baby's a little dangerous one. We have hit balloons, but we got hit by that one. There's one. Oh, second one. And what was that for? Now that's when we were trying to get Donkey Kong and we finished it with a cool trick at the end. Now, we're going to see who wins. We're going to see who won in the competition of this battle race. So, in first place, we got Pass. Pass, you win Mario Kart battles. Woohoo! In second place, we got Maddie. And Spotty, the one's a surprise members. In third place, we got Aubrey Dog. Buttons, also one's surprise members. And Pancake. In last place, we got Pecky, one's surprise members. And then we got Spot. So, let's graduate Pass for winning. Great job, everyone. That's it for this Mario Kart competition. So make sure to give it a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to ring the bell. Bye, super fans. Hope you guys enjoyed this competition.